Sijangan, palapakan natin.
Thank you so much,
Miss Chanel Gabon. Eto na. Here is our mahiwagang bowl. So each, makinig po tayo ha. Pwede po ba tayong magbigay ng pagkakataon para sa ating mga kandidata? Kung pwede po tayong pumalakpak, sumigaw, pagkatapos po ng kanilang sagot. Because we will not giving them time to answer. So they have free time to deliver and convey their answers. So each of our candidates will pick a question in the bowl and we will read the question twice,
Yes.
English and Tagalog. So let's move to our question and answer portion beginning with Tyrone Gomez. Good evening, Tyrone. Kamusta?
I feel so much overwhelmed because, as we all know, out of 16 lovely candidates, I am the youngest to compete. And I am so much grateful that I entered the top 8 finalists.
And you have long way to go. So, Tyrone, please pick your question. In one word, how would you describe the spirit of the LGBTQIA plus community and why that word? Sa Tagalog, sa isang salita, paano mo ilalarawan ang diwa ng LGBTQIA plus community at bakit iyon ang napili mo? Allow me to repeat. In one word, how would you describe the spirit of the LGBTQIA plus community and why that word? Sa isang salita, paano mo ilalarawan ang diwa ng LGBTQIA plus community at bakit iyon ang napili mo?
Para po sa akin, mailalarawan ko ang spirit ng isang LGBTQIA plus community as a hero. Because as a hero, we're not just to compete, but we're here to fight from discrimination towards us. We also know that we LGBTQIA plus community members experience a harsh discrimination from works, school, and other specific genre in this country. And I believe we LGBT as a hero, we can fly, we can find a diverse community wherein we experience freedom and equality. And I believe that word will be suitable for us LGBTQIA plus community. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Ms. Tyro, sa iyong sagot.
Of course, Miss Lovely will be calling candidate number 3 from Bagong Sikat, Arabella Adona Cortino.
All right. Vic, how are you, candidate number 3?
Tonight I am feeling overwhelmed because I didn't expect that I could get to top 8, and thank you for the support for the Barangay Bagong Sikat, and I love you all. Thank you.
And I think you are ready. Now pick your question. So here's your question, candidate number 3. Social media has given the LGBTQ plus community a louder voice. How can we use it responsibly? Again, social media has given the LGBTQ plus community a louder voice. How can you use it responsibly? Mas pinalakas pa in social media ang boses ng LGBTQ plus community. Paano mo ito magagamit ng may pananagutan?
Thank you for that question. With a heart full of passion and spirit wrung by resilience, I stand here tonight as a proud candidate in front of many people. And Tonight, if I'm going to repeat the question that was given to me, that social media is a powerful tool nowadays. So in our generation, we have to think, and just like what Pia Wurzbach said, always think before you click. And for me, be careful for what you share online, for what you post online. Yes, we LGBT community, we have the freedom to post online, the advocacies, the feelings that we feel, but we have to be careful. We have to be thoughtful that it is bad or it is good. So always think before you click. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Now, we're moving on to Barangay Bagong Sikat, Ronel Lagata. Anong pakiramdam mo? Ang daming nag-support sa'yo. Shout out naman dyan.
Nagulat ako. Akala ko na makapasok. Maraming salamat, Barangay Bagong Sikat!
Ready ka na? Please take or pick your question. How can beauty pageants like this help promote awareness and acceptance of the LGBTQIA+ community? Paano nakatutulong ang mga beauty pageants tulad nito sa pagpapalaganap ng kamalayan at pagtanggap sa LGBTQIA+ community? Ulit, paano makatutulong ang mga beauty pageants tulad nito sa pagpapalaganap ng kamalayan at pagtanggap sa LGBTQIA+ community?
Maraming pong salamat sa inyong magandang katanungan. Para sa akin po, ay bilang isang bakla, kailangan po nating Bilang isang bakla, kailangan po nating matutunan mag-make up para sa ating sarili. And para sa akin po, ang naitulong po sa akin pag-make up po ng isang LGBT, pagbubuhok, at pag-aayos ng sarili sa ating katawan. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Grabe, kinakabahan siya pero you did it.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Ronel. Moving on, we have our finalist number 6, Micah Angela. One of our Hakot Awards.
Oo. Now, baka naman gusto mo sabihin yung naging preparation mo dito sa ating your preparation. What are the preparations you made?
Actually, maraming tao pong tumulong sa akin. Gagamitin ko po itong pagkakataon na ito para pasalamatan ko silang lahat. To my Mami JM, kay Miss Nikki Garcia na from Bulacan pa, lalong-lalo na po kay Mami Susan na sobra pong binigay po yung effort para sa akin. And actually, of course, kay Lord din po. Thank you po.
Now you have to pick your answer, your question. May dasal.
Now, here's your question. If you had to choose between winning this crown and making a lasting change for the gay community, what would you choose and why? Kung kailangan mong pumili sa pagitan ng pagkapanalo ng corona at paggawa ng pangmatagalang pagbabago para sa gay community, alin ang pipiliin mo at bakit? I repeat, if you had to choose between winning this crown and making a lasting change for the gay community, what would you choose and why?
Para po sa akin, naniniwala po ako na hindi hadlang ang pagkakaroon ng corona para tumulong ka sa kapwa mo o para tulungan mo ang iangat ang LGBTQIA+. Kaya mas pipiliin ko po ay ang gumawa ng pagbabago upang sa gayon po ay kahit wala po akong corona, kaya ko pong tumulong, kaya ko po ibigay ang aking kamay, ang aking matenga at ang aking puso. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang totoong queen ay ang totoong reyna ay hindi kailangan ng corona. Basta meron ka pong kamay na kayang tulungan ang mga tao at tenga na kayang pakinggan kung anong mga pangangailangan nila hanggat kaya mo ay tutulong ka. This is my simple answer, but it's come from my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Micah.
And she nailed it. Thank you so much, Miss Micah. Now, let's have candidate number 9, our finalist from Sanggalang, Ruwain Yuzon. Hello.
Hello po.
Anong pakiramdam mo na ngayon?
It's very, nakakataba ng puso. Kasi po, this is my last pageant po. And,
So eto na. Take a deep breath. Now pick your question. Ruwain, ang iyong katanungan ay babasahin ko ng 2 beses. English or Tagalog. And here's your question. If you could invite one LGBTQIA+ icon, living or dead, to be a judge tonight, who would it be and why? So if you could invite one LGBTQIA+ icon, living or dead, to be a judge tonight, who would it be and why? Kung maimbitahan mo ang isang LGBTQIA+ icon, buhay man o pumanaw na, para maging hurado ngayong gabi, sino ito at bakit?
thank you for that wonderful question. If may invite po ako ng isang na LGBT, ito po ay yung si Hunter. Siya po yung nagbida sa Euphoria because we, transgender women, we can be both things. We could be in our home, living in our family, or we could be in our workplace, earning monies. Just like me, here standing in front of you, conquering my dreams for the 3rd time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9, for that answer.
Grabe, napahinga siya ng malalim right after. Now, approaching us is candidate number 11, Christine Gutierrez, also from Barangay Sanggalang. How are you?
I'm feeling nervous right now. This is the last part of the competition, so I have no choice to give my best to get what I want, and that's the crown. Thank you.
All right.
Nice. Now, ito po ang iyong katanungan. The gay community is diverse with different identities and experiences. How can you strengthen unity while celebrating the differences? Again, iba-iba ang pagkakakilanlan at karanasan ng gay community. Paano mo mapapalakas ang pagkakaisa habang ipinagdiriwang ang pagkakaiba-iba?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The LGBT here in our country considered as one of the most saddest individual here in our country, Philippines. We are deprived in terms of work jobs, in terms of having adoption, in healthcare and in school. And we know that we LGBT has own qualities that we possess in ourselves. We are different to each other, although we are only living in a one community. As a member of the LGBT who has a voice, I want to empower LGBT, despite of our differences, to keep fighting, to keep united. Because in order for us to achieve what we are fighting for, we need to be united. We need our help from each other. Because kung di tayo magtutulungan, sino pa ang tutulong sa atin? lagi po nating tatandaan na tayo lamang ding mga LGBT ang nakaka-experience ng diskriminasyon dahil tayo ay naiiba. Ngunit lagi nating itatatak sa ating isipan na kung tayo ay magkakaisa, tayo ay magsasama-sama. Ito ay isang parang walis tingting. Kapag ikaw ay nag-iisa, wala kang silbi. Ngunit kapag ito ay sama-sama, marami itong nagagawa. Lagi nating tatandaan, mas piliin natin na mahalin ang ating kapwa, anuman ang ating pagkakaiba-iba. Dahil sa huli, Diyos lamang ang tanging maaaring humusga. Maraming salamat po.
That's the spirit candidate number 11.
Grabe. Ooh.
Wow.
Va-va-voom. How does it feel that you were chosen to receive one of the elegant prizes as a trip to Korea?
Actually, sinabi ko nga din sa mga kasamahan ko, okay na, kasi hindi ako makapasok sa top 8 kasi sa trip to Korea pa lamang panalo na ako. So, thank you so much po sa very generous sponsor po. Thank you.
So ready ka na? Miss Abby, please pick your question. At ang iyong katanungan ay, the rainbow flag is a well-known symbol of the LGBTQIA+ community. Which color in the flag do you personally connect with most and why? The rainbow flag is a well-known symbol of the LGBTQIA+ community. Which color in the flag do you personally connect with most and why? Ang rainbow flag ay kilalang simbolo ng LGBTQIA+ community. Aling kulay sa bandilang ito ang pinaka nauugnay sa iyo at bakit?
Okay. Para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, ang rainbow po ay binubuo ng 7 klase ng kulay, which is ang red, orange, yellow, green, violet, indigo, and blue. Para po sa akin, kung ako po'y pipili sa 7 kulay na ito, ang pipiliin ko po ay ang kulay pula. Bakit po? Sapagkat naniniwala po ako na ang kulay pula ay sumisimbolo sa pagmamahal at ang desire natin or para siyang apoy na lumalagablab. Kagaya po dito po sa amin pong komunidad, which is ang bayan ng Lemery, ang pangalan po ng amin pong grupo ng LGBT community is Lagablab, which means our burning desire. Para po kami ay tanggapin at pagsama-samahin. And thank you so much po kay Madam Sherwin Muling Tapang nang dahil po sa kanyang magandang pamuno, kami po ay lahat dito ng LGBT ay nagkakabuklod-buklod at nagkakaunawaan. Isa pa, Lagablab or red because it is our burning desire upang kami ay tanggapin at ipahayag namin sa mga tao ng ang aming tunay na layunin dito sa mundo or sa aming mamamayan. Yun lamang po at marami pong salamat.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 12.
Tulad ng kayong kasuotan, flaming with love, passion, and alam mo na yung nag-aalab na pagmamahal. Ayun. Hi, Miss Chloe.
Sir Anton, how are you?
Kamusta?
I'm doing great. I'm just feeling so nervous right now because this is my 3rd time and I'm hoping and praying for a better result.
Wow. I think she's ready now.
Ready?
Pick your question.
Pick your question in the bowl.
Now, here's your question. How can you ensure that future generations of LGBTQ+ individuals feel safer and more accepted than we do today? Again, how can we ensure that future generations of LGBTQ+ individuals feel safer and more accepted than we do today? Now, Tagalogin ko? No. All right.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last part of the pageant. Let's be real and authentic. I believe that enable for me to ensure the future LGBT community members to feel safe, simple, by inculcating to the minds of the people what communication can do and what understanding. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, if we only had complete understanding on each other's feelings and needs, I believe that we will be able to attain the world eluded us ever since, and that is eternal and world peace. Thank you so much, Bayan ng Lemery.
Thank you so much, candidate number 14, Miss Chloe.
Wow!
Grabe, feeling ko talagang may hihirapan ang ating judges.
And one thing about this, everybody, thank you so much. Everybody ate and left no crumbs. They really conquered the last part of the competition. Thank you so much. And to our judges, okay pa po ba tayo?
Ay, okay
Si
na
Miss-
okay.
Kanina si Miss Barbie, madaming replika. Ang daming Barbie kanina, no? Siguro tuwan-tuwa siya kanina, no? And to Sir John Rain, thank you so much. And to our chairman of the board. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And that concludes the final question and answer portion. And as we return, eto na, hindi nyo malalaman sino ba sa kanila ang tatanghalin na Miss Gay Lemery 2025 dahil out of 8, we'll only choose our 4th runner-up,
Third runner-up,
2nd runner-up,
first runner-up,
and the title of Miss
Miss
Gay
Gay
Lemery 2025. Once again, our top 8, Tyron Gomez from Sambal Ibaba, Arabella Adona Cortino from Barangay Bagong Sikat, Ronel Lagata from Bagong Sikat, Micah Angela Katibog, Barangay Ayaw-Iyaw, Ruwain Yuzon, Barangay Sanggalang, Christine Gutierrez, Barangay Sanggalang, Miss Abby Hernandez, Barangay Wawa, Ilaya, and Miss Chloe Lucito, Barangay District 2. So, Lemereños, who among these candidates will clinch the coveted crown of Miss Gay Lemery 2025 title? Woo! Andito na ang resulta.
Hawak na natin ang resulta. Kaya naman, brace yourself.
Eto na wala pa tayong pa-blink yan. We would like to call Cedric Mortel, Ms. Ara Bathan, and Ms. Zeth Salazar to present the awards for our 4th runner-up. Our 4th runner-up will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, sash, plaque, crown, and bouquet from Flowers by Bianca. And Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash 4th runner-up is Candidate number 6, Micah Angela Katibog. Thank you so much to our presenters.
And now for our Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, third runner-up. May we call on first Mr. Stan Belale, Janelle Pabunan, and Mr. Seth Salazar. Our third runner-up will receive 8,000 cash, sash, plaque, crown, and bouquet from Flowers by Bianca. Our Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, third runner-up. Is candidate number 3.
Arabella Adona Cortino, Barangay Bagong Sikat. Thank you so much, Mr. Rostan Belale, Ms. Janelle Pabunan, and Ms. Seth Salazar. Now, we're up for Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, second runner-up. She'll receive 10,000 pesos in cash, a sash, plaque, crown, and bouquet from Flowers by Bianca. Calling on stage are our presenters, Justin Chinian Salazar, Seth Salazar, and Ms. Ara Bathan. Six ladies left. Who will be this year's Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash? Second runner-up goes to... from Wawa Ilaya, Abby Hernandez.
For our Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, first runner-up. But before that, may we call on stage Miss Isabella Wayne Vergara, Mr. Seth Salazar, and Rustan Bilale to present the award. Our first runner-up will receive 15,000 cash, sash, plaque, crown, and bouquet from Flowers by Bianca. Now, our Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, first runner-up is candidate number...
Christian Gutierrez, Barangay Sangala. And of course, our title holder will receive 25,000 pesos in cash, sash, plaque, crown, and bouquet of flowers from Flowers by Bianca, plus 10,000 pesos worth of clinic services from Ola Maria House of Beauty and Wellness Aesthetic Clinic, plus a half case of Emperador. Wow! Diretsong celebration na! Plus 1K. Ayan, from Emperador din. 2 bottles of Emperador for non-winners. May dagdag pa yung hindi mananalo. So maybe call Miss Seth Salazar, Miss Ara Bathan, Miss Janelle Pabunan, and Ma'am Ruth Galit, together with Miss Remeline Dinglasan and Miss Chloe Garcia. Ito na. 4 na kandidata ang naghahangad kung sino kaya ang tatanghalin. Lemereños, Miss Gay Lemery 2025, the Ultimate Clash title holder is... Congratulations, Chloe Lucito, Barangay District 2!
Congratulations! Once again, our Miss Gay Lamery 2025, the Ultimate Clash, Miss Chloe Lucito of District 2!
And of course, see you again on the next edition of Biscay Lemery. Once again, Happy Fiesta, Lemery! This has been your host, Anton.